I'm a skateboarder. I've been skating for 3 years. Yeah, sponsored.
Skater girl Alex Anderman is not alone in her social media fame. In fact, she shares the spotlight with her brother Tristan, who's one of the best pro scooter riders in the world.
For a couple years, I got to travel the world riding a scooter. I got to go to all these different countries competing. It's on Instagram, I think somewhere around 33,000, maybe a couple hundred on top of that, but somewhere around there.
But now this brother and sister have teamed up to take on something new together.
Welding. I'm going to welding school.
Along with her brother Tristan and dozens of other adult students, they've gone back to school to learn the skill of welding.
She's always been kind of more of a, what do you call it, like a tomboy, I guess you could say.
Tomboy or not, the brother-sister team is taking advantage of a unique opportunity at the East Valley Institute of Technology, where there are classes geared toward those who want to become certified welders. Instructor Nicholas Vogel left a career in welding to teach at EVIT, and he says the adult classes attract all types of students.
We get a lot of people that come in there that want to learn how to weld just because they've seen it on TV and they want to build a hot rod or a Harley or something like that, or a chopper. We also get plenty of students that are trying to make a career out of this. Welding is a really good career to go into as far as pay. Everywhere is hiring right now.
And a career in welding can end up being a lot more lucrative than many may think.
19 or 20 entry level, and then after a couple months they promise to give you a few more dollars an hour. If you want to go into underwater welding or out on the road working pipeline, you can make over $100 grand a year easily. If you want to go out of the country or to Alaska to work on a pipeline, you can make just under $1 million in a year.
Big money to be made in a skilled trade they're both really enjoying going after together.
It's fascinating for sure, because every little process of the welding thing is a little bit different, like stick welding to MIG welding to TIG welding, they're all their own thing, and then there's the plasma and oxy-fuel cutting and stuff like that, so there's just all sorts of different aspects you can do. Maybe to potentially open a business one day, that'd be the big goal.
A shared love of welding, bonding the siblings even tighter and sparking some exciting future plans. Kim Martinez reporting.